All of you open your cameras. I can't see any one of you. Have you all opened your cameras? It is that I can't see you. Yes, students. Students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today we'll be discussing about the short wave diathermy. Okay.
Excuse me,
Short.
ma'am.
Yes, Anubhav.
Ma'am, actually, I haven't got the feedback of the SD curve file.
Okay, I will just see. If you don't receive within 2 weeks, then tell me. Okay. So it's still not 2 weeks. 2 weeks will be done on 4th of February.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will take
Okay,
all
ma'am.
your queries in the last 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay,
Let
ma'am.
me start the topic. Okay. Okay. So shortwave diathermy is what kind of current? Anubhav, can you tell me? Shortwave diathermy comes under which type of current?
Ma'am, high
High
frequency.
frequency.
Very good. High frequency current. How do you differentiate high frequency current? What is the frequency of high frequency current? Can somebody tell me?
Ma'am, more than 10,000.
Very good. More than 10,000 hertz. So this in more than 10,000 hertz we study two modalities. Okay, microwave diathermy as well as shortwave diathermy. We are finished with microwave diathermy. Now we are starting with the second modality, which is a deep heating modality, which is shortwave diathermy. Is it clear to everybody? Have you all seen this particular machine? It is available in our electrotherapy
Yes,
lab
ma'am.
also.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you remember the infrastructure of this particular machine? Modality? Yes.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so
Yes,
when
ma'am.
physically you see this modality, what all do you confer from it? As in, it is a heavy modality. Is it easily portable? Is it a lightweight modality? How will you classify shortwave diathermy? Charu?
Yes, ma'am. मैम हेवी वेट है.
Very good. Hamad? Hamad?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Heavyweight.
मैम
And
हैवी
is it
वेट है बट
portable or
मैम
not portable?
मैम मोबाइल है
Ma'am,
हम यस मैम इसमें मैम नीचे व्हील्स होते हैं हम इसे प्लेस कर सकते हैं एक
See,
जगह से दूसरी जगह.
very good point you have stated. See, there are two things in it. ठीक है, एक होता है mobile. Okay, the second word is portable. ठीक है. So, do you know the difference between both of these terms? Mobile
yes, ma'am.
and portable. Do you know these terms are different? Yes, Preeti. These terms are different. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
See, these little things are very, very particular when it comes to practical. Okay. So can you tell me what is the difference between mobile and portable? See, when you say a modality is mobile and when you say a modality is portable, so how will you explain it? I want to know that.
Mobile means we can
Yes,
move it
Rahul.
from one place to another, like it has wheels or something, ma'am. Mobile means.
Okay. And what
And
does portable
portable
means?
means carrying from one place to another, ma'am.
Yeah. So very good. Good definition. So how will you put this shortwave diathermy into it? Zishan?
मैम इट इज मोबाइल. मैम इट
Yes.
इज मोबाइल.
It
It
is
is
mobile,
mobile.
ma'am. Mobile.
What about portability?
Portable. It would be a bit difficult, ma'am, because heavyweight, ma'am.
It is, yeah, it is not portable, beta. We can't say that it is portable. Why? Because see, all of you have seen this particular modality in our OPD also, in our electrotherapy lab also. Yes. So in the electrotherapy lab, you can only move in the vicinity of the electrotherapy lab. Yes or no? Can you take it to the exercise therapy lab?
No, ma'am.
No. Is
No,
it
ma'am.
feasible? Is it feasible?
Because no.
No, ma'am.
Somebody's mic is, please mute your mic, beta. Yes, Alfia, is it feasible that you can pick shortwave diathermy yourself, okay, and then you can take it to exercise therapy lab? Is it feasible for you, Alfia?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not feasible. Okay, so be clear with the terminology which you use. So, who will tell me the three important characteristics of shortwave diathermy? Anisha, Anisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Anisha, are you there? Yes. Three characteristics of shortwave diathermy.
Ma'am, it is high frequency.
Okay. Okay. Then,
Ma'am, it has electrodes, which is of metal plate and disc electrodes.
Bache, Anisha, we are talking about what we have discussed. The physical characteristic of a modality in terms of mobility, in terms of portability, in terms of weight. That is the physical characteristic of a modality. What
Yes,
all
ma'am. Ma'am,
you
it
are
is
telling
mobile.
me is the placement. We have not discussed it yet. Yes, please.
Ma'am, it
Yes,
is
please,
mobile. It is not
Anisha, continue.
portable.
Yes.
It is mobile. It is
Very
not
good.
portable. It is high frequency.
Okay. Can somebody tell me what point she has missed? Asta, you are there? I have not
Ma'am,
received
it
even
is
a
the
single
deepest form of
answer.
Heavyweight.
heat
Heavy
provided.
weight. Beta Anubhav, you are right. See, my listen to the question. See, when it comes to the Viva questioning during the practical, you have to be very, very conceptual at that particular time. My question is, what are the physical characteristic of the modality? So the physical characteristic, or if my question is characteristics, there will be only three words which would be available to you for explaining. That is heavyweight, mobile, and not portable. Is it clear, Anubhav?
Yes,
Anubhav.
ma'am.
Okay. See, what all you are saying is very good, is good, but listen to the question carefully. Okay. Clear? Everybody is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
I will ask you again. ठीक है. Now we come to the introduction part. See, this dithermy. Okay. This itself has come from two words, di and thermi. Okay. So if you will put it like this. Okay. Now see the literal meanings of di and thermi. Di means through. If you open the Oxford Dictionary, you will see the meaning of di is through. It also means to. Okay. And thermi means heat or temperature. Clear? So if it is through
Yes,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
ma'am.
heating, then how will you define it? That it is through heating. Okay. That is why what Anubhav you were saying, that ma'am, it is a deep heating modality. Why it is a deep heating modality? Because it is going through the tissue. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it is a therapeutic treatment which is commonly prescribed for muscular and joint associated pains. Okay. And to be very precise, what will it do? When heat is going through the body, what will happen? Yes, Hera. Agar heat is going through the tissue, what will happen? Which process will happen, beta? Hera? I think she's facing some network issue or something like that. Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
If heat is passing through the tissue, what
Yes.
mechanism will occur at the tissue level?
Ma'am, circulation increases, ma'am.
Well, what is that term known as? Circulation is
Vasodilation.
very good, Charu. It is vasodilatation. So when the heat is going through the tissue, it is the vasodilatation which is stimulating the circulation and hence relieving the pain. And once the pain is being relieved, what will happen? There will be washing away of metabolites. And once the metabolites will wash off, what will happen? The rate of recovery of healing the tissue will increase. Is it clear, students? This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what are the principle of diathermy? Okay. Now, what happens? We will go to the tissue level first. Okay. What is happening at the tissue level? Okay. Then we will take the modality and we will see what modality is doing to the injury. Okay. Up before injury, like you and me, we are normal. We have not undergone any injury, right? So what is happening at the tissue level? The dipole molecules which are present in the tissue, they are on the basis of the polarity, they are being fixed. Okay. Suppose this is all positive and this is all negative. Okay. So here it will be all negative. Here will be all would be positive. Correct? This much is clear to you. This is basic cell biology. Yes? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what happens before the
Yes,
injury.
ma'am.
The dipole molecules of the body tissues, they are being arranged like this, right? Nothing has happened, right? Now, what is happening when the tissue is damaged? Okay, now we see that now there is a tissue damage. Now, once there is a tissue damage, what will happen? There will be irregularity in the tissue. That means what? Here on the periphery it is positive, then suddenly there will be negative molecules, then here negative, and here all positive. All of you agree with this? Yes? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is happening? Now the injury has occurred and the patient has come to you. Okay. Now you are applying this particular electromagnetic modality, which is known as short wave diathermy. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is a electromagnetic therapy, right? So it will be giving you what all field? Preeti, what all field would be coming from the electromagnetic therapy? This is basic physics, beta.
Ma'am, magnetic fields,
And
electrical.
electric field. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Electric field is also coming and magnetic field is also coming. Okay. Now, once the electric field is being superimposed on this damaged tissue, what will happen? There will be the direction of the field of the lines. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If the direction of the field of lines will align together, what will happen? The tissue will be coming to the normal tissue. All of you agree with it? This is what happens when normally also in the molecules, when the electric field is being applied through the waves, through the polarity, the direction of the lines is imposed. Yes, normal physics.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Alfia, clear?
No, ma'am.
No, what is the confusion? Tell me.
मैम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड उस पे कैसे जाएगी?
Beta, when you are employing the electromagnetic waves, short wave is what? It is an electromagnetic wave, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when the electromagnetic wave is coming, it will create an electric field as well as a magnetic field.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? So once the electric field and the magnetic field, I will teach you the production. After it goes through the transformer and the transducer onto that big bad electrodes, there is a electric field which is coming from the modality onto the tissue. Okay, so when from the modality it is giving to the tissue, it will onto the molecular level, it will superimpose onto the polarity of the molecules. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is what is happening. This is
Okay,
what is
ma'am.
happening. Okay, this is just the principle. Why the principle is very important? Because this principle is happening at the tissue level, at the molecular level. What is happening is very, very important, because in the deeper tissue, when you go from skin, fascia, muscle, and little more deeper to the joint capsule and the synovial membrane and the fibrous membrane, what usually happens, because of the dipole molecules, because of the sodium potassium channels which are being disconfigured, the pain happens. Okay, क्योंकि अगर sodium influx would not be possible and the potassium outflux won't be possible, what will happen? Will the muscle be able to contract? बताओ.
No, ma'am.
नहीं होगा ना. और अगर वो contraction नहीं होगा, what will happen? The receptors, that is the deep receptors, that is the muscle spindle receptors, they will get affected. Once they will get affected, they will have the effect on the superficial receptors, that is the pain causing receptors, that is the nociceptors. Is it clear to everybody now?
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti, is it clear? Anisha, Alfia,
Yes, ma'am.
Astha.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Astha, I have not heard anything from you yet. Okay. Now, what are the challenges of diathermy? Why do you think there are challenges of diathermy? Can somebody tell me? See, all of you mentioned that it is a deep heating modality. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it
Yes,
is
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
deep heating modality, how many layers it has to cross? Many layers? Biomolecules. Many layers?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Many
Yes,
layers.
ma'am.
So what is the foremost layer? That is the skin. है ना? Skin eyes सबसे पहले. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
उसके बाद fascia. And then after that, fat. Fat is what kind of a layer? Is it insulator or non-insulator? How will you classify fat? Fat is an insulator or a conductor?
An insulator.
Insulator. Very good, Pratham. So if it is insulator, will it be helping in taking the heat and passing on to the muscle and the ligament? Will it help or it won't help?
No,
Insulator
ma'am,
का
no
function.
help.
It
Yes.
It would
obstructs,
not
ma'am.
help.
What, Rahul?
It obstructs.
It obstructs. Very good. It will obstruct. Why? Because the property of fat is being insulator. Okay. So what is happening when this direct delivery of heat is happening? It will not be getting heated onto, it will be getting heated to the fat, but fat won't be giving heat to the deeper tissue. Right? Therefore, what happens? They say that fat is an insulator. Okay. So the tissue is not heated evenly. Right? So if tissue is not heated evenly, what will happen? There will be uneven heating and uneven delivery of heat. Okay. So the one of the most important challenge which we often practically suffer is from that the target tissue which we want of the patient to be healed, that is not heated, rather than the surrounding tissues are heated. Is it clear to everybody why the challenge is there? In our, okay, I will make it more simpler. uh, in our body also, there are at certain points fat is there. All of you agree with it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So same thing will happen with the patient also. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
patient is also a human being. It is just the patient is suffering from pain. Correct? Yes or no? Now, yes or
Yes, ma'am.
no, students? Yes. So you are not aware that you have assessed it and you have placed the electrodes according to the pain, according to the whatever the patient is suffering from. But what is happening? You cannot see from the laparoscopically or ultrasonographically that whether the part on which you have placed the electrode, okay, underneath that there is a fat layer or not. Will you be able to judge that just by physical assessment?
No, ma'am.
नहीं कर सकते ना आप. That is why this is the biggest challenge of diathermy, of using a diathermy. No doubt, it is a very good modality, and it has, if you see the recent advances also, and I will be also talking in next 2-3 classes about that. That what happens, but because of this particular thing, it has been banned in certain states because of this biggest challenge. Okay. Another
Okay,
thing
ma'am.
is
Yes, ma'am.
another thing is that diathermy, it is using the electric current, okay, to produce heat. Okay. Now it can reach as deep as 2 inches from skin surfaces. Yes. And do you remember how far MWD reach? Students, we have discussed this in the last class. SWD is going till 2 inches. What about MWD? Yes. Preeti? Charu?
Ma'am, MWD was more superficial than SWD.
Hey, what was the distance? We had discussed the distance also. It was in centimeter. Yes or no?
Ma'am, 6 centimeter.
No, it was 3 centimeter. See, I want to know your mathematics. How will you convince the patient for centimeter and inches? Is centimeter smaller or inches smaller? See, practically you have to face all these difficulties. That is why I often say, please keep your ears, eyes open and your cameras open. Okay? Students, centimeter is bigger or inches is bigger?
Inches.
Inches is
Inches,
bigger.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So it is going deeper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
SWD.
Yes. SWD is deeper. Okay. Now, why it is deeper? See, the mechanism is to and fro the same. But here what is happening, that the current from the machine, it is allowing the body to generate the heat. How it is allowing the body to generate the heat? Because when the dipole molecules, okay, they are coming in contact with the electric field. Okay, so there is change in the polarity. Once the change in polarity will occur, there will be production of heat inside the body tissue. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Why there will be production in heat? All of you have studied this, but I will rediscuss it. Why? See, this is the ground state. Okay, suppose this is the ground state. Electron is here. ठीक है. Now, when the electric field is being applied, it will go to the excited state. So, if it will go to the excited state, what will happen? There will be taking in of energy. Yes or no? Physical
Yes,
Yes,
chemistry.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Therefore, the dithermy, though it is only going till the 2 inches, but because of the generator which is being used, and this particular generator, what it is doing? It is giving advantage. It is giving advantage in a way by creating these disturbances of the dipole molecule in a singular line. So once that is being created, automatically the heat will produce in that particular tissue. All of you have got this concept. This is a very important concept, I'm telling you. To you.
मैम एक
Is
बार
it clear
रिपीट
to
कर
everybody?
दीजिए.
Yes, I
नो
will
मैम.
repeat it again. How much have you got it? Can you please tell me?
यस मैम. मैम जब वो इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने नेक्स्ट स्टेट पे जाता है तो उसको एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होती है.
There is production of heat. Okay, in the tissue. Now, how this production of heat is being done? See, we have studied in the principle what is happening. Before injury, the dipole molecule is at a normal polarity, right? With in the periphery it is positive and in the centrally it is negative, or vice versa, depending upon molecule to molecule. Correct? Okay. Now, what is happening after injury? Why are we feeling pain at the molecular level, at the cellular level? Because this dipolarity or the polarity of the dipole molecules is being affected. Okay? This much is
यस
clear.
मैम.
Okay. Now, how dithermy is helping? Okay. The dithermy has a generator. Okay, which is giving electric field to this particular dipole molecule. Okay, when it is giving the electric field to the dipole molecule, now all of the molecules which are being disrupted will come in a singular line of a particular electric field. So when they are coming from the singular level, some of them have to jump from ground state to the excited state. So when they jump from ground state to the excited state, there is production of heat, or production of what we say the energy, right? So this particular production of energy is happening in the targeted tissue. That is why the tissue is getting heated more. Is it clear to
ओके मैम.
everybody?
यस मैम.
Asta, Alfia, Anisha, Aroba,
Yes, ma'am.
Anubhav, Bhumika, Charu,
Yes,
Chetna,
ma'am.
Divansh, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Hamad, Zishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. Now what is happening? Once the heat will be increased in the tissue level, it will promote the blood flow. ठीक है. Once the blood flow would be increased, what will happen? It will improve the flexibility in stiff joints and connective tissue. Yes or no? Because why the flexibility and stiffness of joint is there? Because there is improper blood flow to that particular tissue. Agree?
यस
Hello?
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
ठीक है. Now, what are the benefits of diathermy? It is providing pain relief and bladder flexibility. Yes, through the increased blood flow. Right? Next is it is reducing inflammation. Yes or no? Can somebody tell me how is it reducing inflammation? Preeti. Rohit. Astha. Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, due to improved circulation.
What? Uh, can you come again? Zishan has typed, ma'am, there is some network issue. Yes. How is the reduction of inflammation is occurring? I want to know that. Preeti, Charu, you were speaking. Preeti, can you open your
No,
camera and
ma'am.
tell me? Open your camera and answer, all of you. See, when you will be connected in the class, then you will be able to understand more, right? Yes, reduction of inflammation. Anubhav. Hamad, Rahul, Shivani, Kajal, Khushbu.
मैम मैं
Yes,
बताऊं?
ma'am. Ma'am, due to heating, there is more blood supply, and more blood supply will bring more nutrition, oxygen, and removal of waste products, due to which inflammation get reduced.
Very good, very good. This is what is happening. When there is increase in the blood flow, there will be washing away of metabolites or the pain causing substances. So once they will be washed off, what will happen? There will be reduction in the inflammation. Very good. Yes, Alfia, you want to add something? There is another point in it. Other than this, who will tell me that? We have discussed just now. What will happen? See, anybody? Chavi? Alfia? Preeti? Anubhav? Charu?
Yes, ma'am.
Another point we have discussed just now. No? See beta. See beta. I'll tell you. See, when there will be better flexibility, okay, in the inflammation, the foremost thing it is loss of, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So when there will be better flexibility, there will be what? Function will come back to normal, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So automatically when the function will come back to normal, it will be reduction in inflammation. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kajal?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
agree? You talked about
Yes.
improved circulation, blood, the flexibility of the joint as well as the connective tissue. Both of them plays a very important role in reduction of inflammation, okay, because our role as a physical therapist, whether we are applying shortwave diathermy or microwave diathermy, is to make the patient independent, and that would only and only be done if we can improve the function of the patient. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is, it is improving circulation. So how is it improving circulation? Automatically, when there will be better blood supply, there will be better vasodilation and the circulation would be improved. And once the circulation would be improved, the rate of healing would be increased. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, there are different types of diathermies. Shortwave diathermy, long wave diathermy, microwave diathermy, ultrasound diathermy, and laser diathermy. Have you heard of these two terms? Because this already has been discussed in the last semester. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
See, ultrasound and laser are considered as part of diathermies because they are also high frequency current. All of you agree? You remember at which frequency ultrasound is working? You know that? At which frequency ultrasound is working? Yes. Charu? Preeti?
Ma'am, 1 or 3 megahertz.
Very good, Hamad. Yes, it is working at 1 megahertz and 3 megahertz. So this will come under high frequency current, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about laser diathermy? What about laser diathermy? What is laser? What is laser, students? Read, I will ask you in the next class. This already been discussed in the last semester. Okay. See, beta, this electrotherapy of to both the semesters, third and fourth. Okay. So in this semester, it is the module says about the high frequency current. Okay. So you may be asked about ultrasound and laser, especially during the practical, especially the differentiating points between the ultrasound, shortwave, laser, and long wave. Am I clear? That is why I want your
Yes, ma'am.
input with whatever we have discussed earlier, and it would be easier for you to also understand and differentiate between the ongoing modalities which we are discussing. Okay. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
students, so I expect tomorrow a good discussion on the laser and long wave.
Yes, ma'am.
Day after tomorrow. Okay, now we again come to the shortwave diathermy. So now, defining it, it was just an overview about how it is working, how the electric current was there. Now have a concise definition of SWD. Okay, so it is a deep heating modality which is converting the electromagnetic energy into thermal energy. Okay, now you have got the basis of electromagnetic energy to the thermal energy through the change in the dipole molecule. Yes or no? Is it clear to
Yes,
everybody?
ma'am.
Yes. Now the pattern of the heat produced, it depends upon the frequency used, type of SWD unit, and the water content of the tissues. Okay. Okay, students. Now in the type of SWD, we will be discussing about the inductive method and the capacitive method also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is working at a frequency between the 10 to 100 megahertz. Okay, and the commonly used frequency is 27.12 megahertz with a wavelength of 11 meters. Okay, clear? Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the modality is either continuous or pulsed. Okay, so if it is a pulsed, what do you mean by pulsed? Pulsed means that it is being applied by series of short pulses of short wave diathermy. Okay, it is in a similar way how we give the pulsed ultrasound. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear or not? Yes, like we give pulsed ultrasound and continuous ultrasound, similar way we give the pulse shortwave diathermy and continuous shortwave diathermy. Okay. Okay, students. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
a gap of what? Rest in between. Okay. Now in pulsed, what will happen in pulsed? If you are giving gap, this means that low dose energy is being given to the patient. Yes or no? है ना? If you are giving rest, means less of the energy is going to the patient tissue. So you are giving lower dose of SWD. Okay? So the tissue will receive lower thermal load. All of you agree? All of you
Yes,
agree?
ma'am.
So it is producing both deep and superficial heating, and it is being applied for 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. Okay. Now, the types of shortwave diathermy, it is induction field and the capacitive field. Okay. We will stop this right for today. Tomorrow we will discuss from here. Okay. Now one by one answer question time. So I will be calling your name. Open your camera and tell me the answer. Okay.
मैम
Yes. Bolo. Any doubts? Yes, Charu.
मैम आपने फाइल में करने के लिए कहा था ना कुछ थेरेपेटिक, एक बार प्लीज दोबारा बता
I
दीजिए.
will tell you in last 2 minutes. Okay. Let
Okay,
me
ma'am.
revise the class first. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alia. Alia, are you there? Alia. Astha. Astha, what are the challenges of diathermy? Please type on the box, you're not audible. Alfia, challenges of diathermy?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, challenges of diathermy are fat
Yes.
because it resists the heat.
Okay. What else?
Ma'am, it is heavy
Okay.
weight. And it is not portable.
Okay. Okay, what else?
Heavy weight.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, that's all.
But these are not challenges. Challenge is only one. That is the
Fat.
fat.
Yes, ma'am.
You had to explain me that what is fat leading to. It is leading to uneven and uncontrolled heating. Yes or no? Yes, Hera,
Yes, ma'am.
Charu, Preeti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hera,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
right. Uneven and uncontrolled heat. That is one of the what? That is what? Yes, Preeti, can you add on to it?
It's the challenge we face using diathermy machine. First is the subcutaneous layer is fatty, as it is a deep heating modality, so it faces issue there, and it involves uneven and uncontrolled delivery of heat. Therefore, sometime instead of the target tissue which we have to give the heating, the surrounding tissues get affected.
Very good. Very,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Okay. So this is the biggest challenge. Okay. Bhumika. Bhumika. Preeti, I'm audible, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumika, are you there in the class? Chavi,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
open your camera, Chavi. I can't see you. Have you opened your camera? Is it I'm not able to see you? Yes, Chavi.
Yes, ma'am.
So the question for you is, what is the significance of dipole molecule when we talk about shortwave diathermy?
Significance.
Yes.
Uh,
Chavi, I can't see you. Yeah, I can see you. Yeah, please continue. What is the significance of dipole molecule? You know our body have dipole molecule. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how the shortwave diathermy is affecting that particular dipole molecule? I want to know that. Practically, what is happening? Any volunteers for the answer can raise their hands. Yes, Chavi, by the time you can try.
Ma'am, ma'am, under the electric field, the polarity gets rotated.
How matlab, how from the injury to the after the matlab, what is the mechanism, you know?
Ma'am, whenever there is a injury, if the tissues get damaged, so the dipole distribution becomes irregular, and sometimes it deviates from the polarity based arrangement.
Okay, then how the diathermy is helping? Sometimes, no, every time this will happen. Before injury, nothing will happen, but after injury, everything will happen.
And ma'am, if we apply the diathermy, so the those dipoles which got irregular or deviates, so from the diathermy it gets rotate according to the polarity of the matlab change when charge in the direction. If there is a charge in the direction, they get rotated according to the polarity when there is SWD is applied over that area.
ठीक है, correct. Okay, good. Divansh, are you there? Divansh, Drishti, Padma,
Yes, ma'am.
open your camera. I can't see you. All of you open your camera. Yes. The question for you is Drishti. Drishti,
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see you. Yes, the question for you is what are the benefits of shortwave diathermy? There must be good benefits of shortwave diathermy, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they? I can't see you. Ikra, Kajal, Khushbu, Kritika,
Yes, ma'am.
all of you open your cameras.
Yes,
One,
ma'am.
yeah, you just, all five of you, just you have to tell me one benefit. There are 6 benefits, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, reduce inflammation.
Okay, very good. Khushbu,
Vasodilation.
vasodilation.
Ma'am,
Very
improved
good.
circulation.
Very good, Devansh. I was not able to see your beautiful face, but your answer is correct. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
improved circulation.
Khushbu, Kritika, both of you are saying the same answer, and I can't see both of you.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Yeah, Kritika, I can see you. What about you, Khushbu?
Ma'am, it's relief in pain.
One by one, Khushbu.
Ma'am,
Khushbu,
accelerates healing.
it accelerates healing. Okay. Tanishka,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
what is the benefit of shortwave diathermy?
Ma'am, enhance healing.
Enhance healing. Okay. Already
Ma'am,
being
it reduces edema.
Reduce edema, improve
reduces edema.
circulation.
Yes. Okay.
Reduces
Maria,
edema, reduces.
Maria, is network good today at your end? Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How will you define shortwave diathermy? Maria, definition of shortwave diathermy. Zishan, Hamad. Zishan and Hamad.
Yes, ma'am.
Zishan, Sheroz, Hamad. How will you?
Yes,
Hamad,
ma'am.
I can't see you. I can only see Kajal and Charu
Ma'am,
and
now.
myself.
Ma'am,
Rest
Yes, ma'am.
everyone has opened their camera.
Ma'am, is it
Anju,
visible now?
Sai.
Ma'am, now visible.
Yeah, Zishan, you are visible. Yeah, one by one,
Ma'am,
define.
maybe.
Yes, Hamad. Please continue. Define.
Ma'am, it is a deep heating modality which produces electromagnetic waves to provide
Okay, to provide, yes, completed. To provide
heat.
what?
Ma'am, heat.
To provide. Okay. Your definition was halfway good and halfway not good. Okay. One point of time you are saying electromagnetic
Ma'am,
energy.
may
So
I?
if you are saying yes, yes, please, 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 Maria.
Ma'am, shortwave diathermy is a treatment that uses electromagnetic energy, ठीक है, to produce deep heating in joints and soft tissues.
Okay, beta. If it is using electromagnetic energy, what it is giving to the tissue? What energy is being given to the tissue? That is my question.
Deep,
That will complete the
deep heating.
definition.
Thermal energy.
Thermal energy. Yes. Okay, Hamad, that is what I was pointing on. You said
Yes,
that
ma'am.
thermal electromagnetic energy, which is providing heat. So when you are talking in terms of electromagnetic energy, then you have to say that it is being converted into the thermal energy. Rest everything was good.
Electromagnetic converted into thermal energy.
Yes, this is what it is doing. Okay. Now, from where, what is the literal meaning of the Greek word diathermy? Diathermy का मतलब क्या होता है? Diathermy.
Through.
Ma'am, through
Through किसका?
tissue.
Most of the diathermy means through.
Temperature का through.
Through
Di means through
heating.
and thermy means temperature.
So how will you put it in one line? Through heating. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Through heating the tissue. Yes. Zishan, nothing has come from you. I ask you one question. Yes.
Ma'am, but Hamad already answered, so that's why I not.
But you know, the two definitions can be different. Your way of putting the definition may be different.
Yes, ma'am.
Because all of us understand at different levels, right? So putting your definition might be different. Yes or no?
Ma'am, so
That is why I
software
often say make your own definition. Yes.
software diathermy is a process of providing electromagnetic. No, software diathermy converts electromagnetic into thermal energy and provides therapy in joints and soft tissues.
Very good. And it is a deep heating modality. Without deep, it is something incomplete.
Ma'am, I just explained the definition, not as much.
हाँ तो बेटा definition में deep तो आएगा ना, नहीं तो there are 5 types of diathermy and all of them are saying through heating. Then okay.
Yes.
So thank you students. With this we will wind up today's class and tomorrow we will start with types of shortwave diathermy. That is inductive.
मैम आपको फाइल के बारे में बताना था अभी.
Yeah, just a second. I will tell you about file. I will take